Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, Topic Ado. Level A1, Topic 2, Rannóg as tú. Section 1, Where are you from? Labhairt, focusing on speaking. As tú. Blamúna, ag fifri de rinne as é agus an cheist sin a ragart. We'll be teaching asking a person where they are from and answering this question. Symbolaí na díortha, the country symbols. Sasana, England. Sasana, Sasana. Repeat after me. Sasana, Sasana. An Chin, China. An Chin, An rank, France. An rank, An Spáin, Spain. An Spáin, Éire, Ireland. Éire, An Fulainn, Poland. An Fulainn, An Idáil, Italy. An Idáil, America, America. An Afric Has, South Africa. An Afric Has, Tíortha, countries. I'll have you repeat after me the names of the countries. Éire, Ireland. Éire. An Idáil, Italy. An Idáil. Sasana, England. Sasana. An Fulainn, Poland. An Fulainn. America, An Chin, Japan. An Chin. An rank, France. An rank. An Afric Has, South Africa. An Afric Has. An Spáin, Spain. An Spáin. Na díortha, the countries. On this slide, see if you can name the country as each symbol appears. Éire. An Idáil. Sasana. An Fulainn. An Chin. An Afric Has. An rank. America, on Spain. For this next activity, you'll need the handout on buíoch Ceadú, where are you from, tíortha, countries. Ceadú. Tá symbolaí éagsúla híos. There are different symbols below. Scríb ainmneacha na díortha faoi gach ceannacha. Write the names of the countries underneath each one. Ansin, round the ceann de na symbolaí agus den iireacht é a rá agus é a litriú amach os ord. Ná den darmad an sína fada. And then choose one of the symbols and make an effort to say it and spell it out loud. Don't forget the sína fadas. Where are you from? Different ways to ask somebody where they're from. There are slight differences between the connotes, but don't worry about them. We'll go over each one and then just choose one to practice saying, and as long as you understand the other two, if somebody asks them of you. Ceadú, Ceadú, Ceadú. Cad ostit, Cad ostit, Cad ostit. Carbostit, Carbostit, Carbostit. So I'll go over each one more time and have you repeat it after me, and then you can choose which one you want to use on a regular basis. Ceadú, Ceadú, Ceadú. Cad ostit, Cad ostit, Cad ostit. Carbostit, Carbostit, Carbostit. Fragri answers. Isás Eorpach, Isás Eorpach. I'm from Ireland. Isás Eorpach. Or sometimes you can leave off the is and just say as éire, from Ireland. The difference is as Eorpach, I am from Ireland, as éire, from Ireland. On Spain, Spain. So it's just depending on how much you abbreviate your answer. I am from a country, from the country, or just the country's name. So is as Eorpach, as éire, on Spain. Ceadú, where are you from? See if you can answer the question each time the symbol appears with the appropriate country. I'll mix up the questions and you can mix up the answers using all three forms, the longer version and the shorter versions. Ceadú. Isás Eorpach. Cad ostit. An ideál. Carbostit. Isás Sasanna mé. Ceadú. Isás an Fholin mé. Carbostit. An Chin. Ceadú. Isás an Africas. Cad ostit. As an rank. Ceadú. Isás America mé. Cad ostit. An Spáin. Náisiúntacht, nationality. Another way to answer the question, Ceadú, where are you from, is by answering with your nationality. So we'll go over the different nationalities. Éireannach, Éireannach. Repeat it after me. Éireannach, Éireannach. Iodálach, Iodálach, Iodálach. Sassenach, Sassenach, Sassenach. Polynach, Polynach, Polynach. Americanach, Americanach, Americanach. Sheenach, Sheenach, Sheenach. Francach, Francach, Francach. Jas Africach, Jas Africach, Jas Africach. Spinach, Spinach, Spinach. Náisiúntaach continued. And to use that in a sentence, you would say, Is Éireannach é? He's Irish. Or Is Éireannach mé? I am Irish. Is Éireannach í? She is Irish. Is Éireannach í? Is Francach é? He is French. Is Francach é? Is Spinach í? Is Spinach í? She is Spanish. Is Éireannach mé? Is Éireannach mé? And you'll notice we use the pronoun a for he, e for her, and me for me. Let's practice that one more time. Repeat each one after me. Is Éireannach é? Is Éireannach í? Is Francach é? Is Spinach í? Is Éireannach mé? Cé he? Cé he? Who is it? And we use cé he when it's masculine, cé he when it's feminine. So cé he, cé he. Cé he? Who is it? Thierry Henry. Is Thierry a? And he is a French soccer player. Is Francach a? Is Francach a? Cé he? Who is she? Katie Taylor. Is Katie E? No, is Katie Taylor E? This is Katie Taylor, an Irish boxer. Is Éireannach E? Is Éireannach E? Cé he? Cé he? Is Oprah Winfrey E? Is Oprah Winfrey E? Is Americanach E? Is Americanach E? Cé he? On Papa Benedict. Is Papa Benedict a? Is Gearmánach a? Cé he? Is Banríon na Breatna E? Is Banríon na Breatna E? She's the Queen of England. Is Sassenach E? Is Sassenach E? Cé he? Is Rafael Nadal a? Is Rafael Nadal a? Is Spinach a? Is Spinach a? Cé as é, cé as í. A slight difference in the question. Cé as é, where is he from? Cé as í, where is she from? So now it's your turn. Cé as é? Cé as í? Cé as í? Cé as é? Cé as í? ceas é. Agus na freagraí, ceas é, ceas í, and the answers. Now you could have answered with as an Spáin, as an rank, as an idáil, etc. Or is éireannach í, is Americanach í. I'll just go through the nationality version. Is Francach é, is éireannach í, is Spáinach é, is Americanach í, is Gearmánach é, is Sassanach í. And we'll review this one last time. Remember to say your answers out loud. Cé agus ceas é. Cé agus ceas é. Cé agus ceas í. Cé agus ceas é. Cé agus ceas í. Cé agus ceas í. Some more questions. On Americanach é, is he American? Níha, is éireannach é. No, he's Irish. Níha, is éireannach é. On Francach í, is she French? Se, is Francach í. Se, is Francach í. On Spáinach tú? Se. On Francach tú? Níha, ach idálach. So here you'll notice we use the construction on Americanach é, and we used níha for negative, no, ní Americanach é, so we shortened it to níha. On Francach í, is Francach í, no, se. On Francach tú, níha, no. So isha, se, and níha. So éis go cúramach, listen carefully to the questions. On Francach é, níha, is Spáinach é. On Gearmánach é, níha, is Francach é. On idálach í, níha, is éireannach í. On Gearmánach é, se. On Sassanach í, níha, is Americanach í. On Sassanach í, se. Cé as tú, daoine cáiliúla? Where are you from, famous people? Teacaigh ainmneacha de dhaoine cáiliúla suas ar an gcéad sleamhnáin eile. The names of some famous people will appear on the next slide. Lay an tanam go ciúin dóibh féin. Read the name quietly to yourself. An sin, chuirfidh mé an ceisteirt an Spáinach é, í, no éon náisiúntacht eile. Then I'll ask you the question, is he or she Spanish or any other nationality? Bheith an freagra cuí a thuairt mar shampla, se, no níha is Francach mé. You will need to give the correct answer, for example, yes or no, I'm French. Again, the questions and answers we'll be using on Spáinach é, no í, and the answers se or níha is Francach mé. Chaos tú dini kalula. If you're not sure, just make a guess. The answers will be on the next slide. Meryl Streep on Francach í. Shakespeare on Idálach é. Isabella Rossellini on Idálach í. Michelangelo on Francach é. Gerard Depardieu on Éireannach é. Jackie Chan on Sínach é. Sinead O'Connor on Sassanach í. Nelson Mandela on Éireannach é. John Paul II on Francach é. Jennifer Aniston on Americanach í. Victor Hugo on Francach é. Let's see how many you got correct. Dini Kalula. Meryl Streep is Americanach í. Bono is Éireannach é. Michelangelo is Idálach é. Victor Hugo is Francach é. Nelson Mandela is Jas Africach é. Jackie Chan is Sínach é. Isabella Rossellini is Idálach í. Sinead O'Connor is Éireannach í. Gerard Depardieu is Francach é. Jennifer Aniston is Americanach í. John Paul II is Polannach é. Shakespeare is Sassanach é. Dul Siar, review. So let's put it all together, everything we've learned in this section so far, along with what we learned in our last unit. We'll have some little snippets of a chora or conversation. I'll read them aloud and then you can read them aloud by yourself after me. Díomh is Misha Emer, is Americanach me, as Boston me. Conas atá sibh, Seamus is anam dom, is Austrálach me, as Sydney me. Hiya Chónaithe, cén chuí a bhfuil sibh, is Misha Sean, is Indiach me, as Calcutta me. And that wraps up Rannóg again, section 1, Chaos 2, where are you from, where we focused on asking somebody where they were from and answering that question. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.